Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with dry hair that breaks easily, feels thin, or just doesn't retain length? Today I'm going to show you how to make this powerful hair growth butter from the comfort of your home. This was my hair a few years ago, before I started being intentional with my hair journey. And honestly, your hair can also grow. It just needs a little more care and consistency. We're going to use 3 herbs to make the hair growth butter, and our first one is cloves. It helps support hair growth by keeping the scalp balanced and strengthening hair strands, reducing breakage and weakness. Fenugreek supports hair growth by nourishing and strengthening the strands. It also keeps the hair soft and well conditioned, which supports healthier growth and length retention. Rosemary is well known for supporting hair growth by improving blood flow to the scalp. It also helps strengthen the roots and the strands, reducing excessive shedding. When the 3 powerful herbs are combined, they help strengthen the hair, add moisture, reduce breakage, and support healthy length retention. Once the oil has infused, let it cool slightly and then strain it. I will be using a wig cap, but you can use a cheesecloth or a sieve. And our super potent hair butter is ready to be used. Hair butters are a must in your hair growth routine because they help lock in the moisture and support healthier, stronger hair. For best results, apply it on damp or moisturized hair to seal in all the nutrients. You can massage it into your scalp to help support healthy hair growth from the roots. Don't forget to apply it to your strands and ends to help reduce breakage and support length retention. Let me do a patch test on my hand and then you can see how moisturizing the hair butter is. I hope you'll try it out and share your results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more natural hair content.